G'day guys, Tim from Addison Appliances, and behind me here is an in cabinet slide out range hood, and we're going to talk about the quoting process and what we need from you to provide you a quote. Head to our website and fill out our online customer inquiry form. You can find it on every page of our website. It's a little green square. Click that, it'll take you to the inquiry form. In that inquiry form, apart from your name and email and phone, we require some really important information to provide a quote more quickly. The first piece of information are the brand and model details of the new appliance you intend or wish to have installed in situ. The second piece of information, if you have a gas cooktop, it's really important to measure from the gas burner to the lowest point of the range hood. For induction electric ceramic, from the cooking surface, because it's flat generally, to the lowest point of the range hood. The third piece of information is another measurement. It is the measurement from the splashback to the face of the cabinet. That is just where the door closes onto, okay? Now the fourth piece of information is photos, photos, photos. Take a photo of your in-cabinet range hood, whether it's a slide out or undermount in situation, take it from low. Open the cabinets. It's really good to open up the cabinets to see what we're working with inside the cabinetry. And the last piece of information, which is a little bit less important but still helpful, are the brand and model details of the current range hood you have in place. Now, if you can't find them, don't worry too much, but if you do have them, really helpful for us. Once we receive your online inquiry form, our team will get to work preparing the quote for you. Now, we will let you know for your installation if things like minor cabinet modifications are needed for fitment and compliance, and we'll flag any other concerns we have for your specific install. The goal here is to ensure you don't make costly purchasing mistakes, buying the wrong range hood that doesn't fit, sending it back and waiting, etc., etc. Our product advice is one of the main and most important services we provide, and the online inquiry form gives us important information to make the quoting process much more smooth and to make sure you make the right decision and are happy with the appliances you get and that they are compliant, safe, and of course, usable. Now, don't forget, for product advice and installations, contact Addison Appliances.